Good morning, Shiver, and all my scrappy friends. Well, it looks like we are going to have a beautiful day weather-wise while we get things out of the trash and into a resale, reuse, or recycle stream. We are starting out with a pretty good find here. We got some Christmas lights and a metal tray and some ballast lights. And I think we can do this all in one lift. All right, come on, let's dive in, see what else we can find. All right, Dirt Rider, you know what I got to say to you. No more wire hangers. We'll grab a couple. Metal is metal. What do these say? Free, free, free. Well, then let's go ahead and just chuck the whole thing in. Mailbox man hooking me up again. Putting mailboxes back by his truck so that if the trash guys get here before me, they don't take there's the local cat. Very cool. Very cool stuff. Out road. Yep, you're definitely metal. So are you. Nice having to take it all apart for me. It saves me a lot of work. Yeah, not really work so much as space, I guess. Man, that early morning sun can certainly get your attention. Let's see. Yeah. Put you here for right now. You know what I'm gonna do? Let's see here if I can get this repositioned real quick. There we go. There he is, ever stalking the shark scrapper. Okay, you're kind of an interesting one. don't need all the paper, so we're gonna leave that in the trash. We'll take all this stuff and scrap it out. Alright. Alright. Cord food. So this is a weird kind of arrangement. It's not really a cul-de-sac, and it's a pretty narrow road. You have no choice but to block something. But that's all right. We were quick, and nobody came along. So that's for a fence post. Nice little chunk of metal. We have a new addition to the shark cage, a microwave. Mrs. Shark thought that I needed something to reheat leftovers. And she didn't like the idea of me using something that I found on the street for some reason, so probably because she's seen the condition that most of that stuff is in when I get it. All right. Well, it was not a very good shred day. But I really didn't expect it to be at this time of year. To be honest with you, I'm surprised that I found anything. A bunch of scrappers were out. That's funny. We know each other. We know each other's trucks and everything, and there's a couple of them that are very friendly, and we say hi, and we ask how each other's doing and how good things have been so far and what neighborhoods they've been in, so we don't double up on each other. And then there's other guys that just ignore you. So, and then there's a couple of the scrappers that they go after different stuff than I do. So I know what they want to find, what they're looking for, and I can tell them where I saw the stuff that they're normally interested in, and they'll do the same for me. Sometimes we even stop and just horse trade right on the side of the street, which is kind of funny. I'll trade you this for that, and that's funny. All right, now let's see. There we go. I knew we'd get it loose enough eventually. Oh, there they are. I knew I had some bucket-o shred. All right, now let's see what our situation is. You probably go right up to there. That was just holding things up. So this was covered in paper, and I don't think the wire goes all the way up. I think the wire only goes to here. Yeah. right. This was some sort of bed arrangement. Mrs. Shark also got me new safety boots. These are from a company called Indestructible. They're supposed to be indestructible. They're much lighter than my other work boots. Still have the toe protection, but they're a lot lighter and a bit more comfortable. So that was real nice of her. Ooh, almost forgot about you guys. And you say electric or electronic or electrical? No, so you will sell as a ballast. That's the name of the company, Valmont Electric. That doesn't count. But if it's a electric or electrical ballast, then it just goes in the shred pile. All right, use guys, go in there. I got to get to those plugs someday. Yep. I have got to get to some of that stuff. Well, as we go into 2022, I'll be reaching out to the University of Miami, talk about how to get them the money for our shark scrap or shark adoption project so we can get our shark adopted and tagged and get on with that. I'm looking forward to that. That's going to be a lot of fun. And we'll see if we can get out there on the boat with them. Hey, y'all, I hope you had a great time with me today. I sure had a lot of fun having you with me. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's the little round icon that's going to pop up in the middle of the two icons that are going to take you to more street scrapping fun. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.